Science and Technology Part 1st, Chapter number 1, Gravitation. In this chapter, next part is the gravitational potential energy. Now, potential energy means the energy which is stored in the object because of its position or the state is called potential energy. Suppose we have studied in the ninth standard that from the surface of the earth, suppose the object is raised in upward direction into a certain height up to this point, then when the object is at this point, at that point this object has a energy mass into acceleration due to gravity into height. That means in this distance the object is displaced. That means the potential energy will be mgh. Now, as the height is increased, the energy will also increase because of the mgh value. That means potential energy is directly proportional to the height of the object from the surface of the earth. Okay, but if the h is small as compared to the radius of the earth, then and then only this potential energy will go on increasing with the proportion of the height. Okay, but when the large value of h is there, that means a considerable large amount of height is considered, then as we have studied in earlier parts of this chapter that as the distance from the surface of the earth increases, the distance of this object from the center of the earth increases like this, r plus h, and we know that the value of g is equal to gm divided by r square. Here this r gets changed into r plus h. That means it will be r plus h raised to 2. As this value changes like this, and r plus h means the denominator value of the denominator increases, therefore this entire value of g starts to be reduced. Therefore, at very large distances from the surface of the earth, the g will start to decreased. Okay, now here the next part is potential energy is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity into height. G means gm divided by r plus h raised to 2 and into r plus h. Therefore, this r plus h and r plus h raised to 2, the ratio will come like this. One of the two r plus h will get cancelled and this r plus h will get cancelled, and therefore the potential energy will be minus gmm divided by r plus h. Why this negative sign? Because here g is negative. Here in this equation this g will be negative. Why g is negative? Because the motion or the displacement is against the gravitational pull or against the acceleration due to gravity. Therefore g will be negative, and therefore here negative sign will be considered. Therefore potential energy is equal to minus gmm divided by r plus h. Thank you.